see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause
Habang tanas yung iba ilalagay ko sa kakainin ko ay wait, baby, wait. Makbo siya.
Good morning!
Good morning, guys! Today is Sunday, October 31st, and it's
Halloween!
Halloween! Happy Halloween, everyone! What you gonna say to everyone?
Happy Halloween, guys!
Happy Halloween, guys! Excited na siya. Sabi niya, what time daw kami? Alasya ko baba, later pa. Ngayon, ang gagawin ko ay maliligo na ako. Naligo na ako kagabi, yung buhok. Naliligo naman tayo araw-araw, guys. I mean, yeah, binasa ko na to kagabi. Pinaliguan ko na yung buhok ko. Ngayon, maliligo tayo ng katawan. And, eto, paplansyahin ko siya. And, siya, kinakain niya yung... Meron pa tayong mga tira dito, guys. Yung mga ginawa nila kagabi. Eto, oh. Meron pang... Ay, kagabi, kahapon. Ayan. May isa pang banana. And popcorn. Ito yung caramel. And meron pang rainbow. And yung ating mga orange pumpkin. Nandito pa rin. So, ang gagawin ko ngayon, alas 10 na. Mag-aalas 10 na. Tumawag ako kay Jan. Sabi ko kung may plano siya. Sabi niya wala. And sabi ko magluluto akong roast beef. And sabi niya yes. Tapos sabi niya pa, gawin ko na raw ng maaga, as in morning. Kasi nga, mamaya, alis tayo, lilibot-libot tayo dito sa paligid. Where are we going?
Trick-or-treating!
Yes! So, yun ang ating ganap today. Me? I don't know if they're gonna give me lollies. And, ipe-prepare natin yung ating mga
Mom, if we don't
lollies.
We're going straight to the two-story house.
Gusto ni Kuya pumunta doon sa two-story house because of
Soft drink.
soft drinks.
I missed out last year.
Last
'cause
year,
I went night.
yeah.
I was giving people.
Maganda yung pinupunta namin kasi may pa-soft drinks sila, guys. Kung nanonood kayo ng vlog namin nung nakaraang Halloween at saka before, laging may pa-soft drinks and ang ganda sa loob ng bahay nila. So, yun guys, ang ganap natin today, yung bigas, andoon pa rin si Johnny Boy, hindi niya nilagay kagabi. Okay, we're gonna get ready. Okay? Siya gusto niya nang isuot yung kanyang costume. Siguro ipasuot ko na sa kanya.
Mom, I don't want Queen to wear that. Already now.
You choose that one, Baba, and then why you're scared? Natatakot siya kasi ginugulat naman siya. Sa likod nang gagaling niya, tapos nakamas na si Kuya.
He keeps staring at me. Kuya TJ.
Kuya TJ, stop it. Kasi naririnig ko sumisigaw siya.
And she can't go.
Okay, mag-get ready na tayo.
Mom,
Maghugas na tayo ng muka. Wala pa tayong hugas ng muka. Ha?
I don't want to go there because the clown face is there and I didn't have it on.
Okay. Gusto pala ako maligo and naplansya ko na yung aking buhok. Nag-skincare lang ako. Kaya, ayan, wala tayong kilay, guys. Si Holly gusto niya nang suotin yung kanyang costume. Maasaan na siya. Where are you, Baba? Gusto niya na magpalit ng kanyang costume. Alright. Okay, let's go. And, ipe-prepare ko na yung aking i-roast. Oh, hinahanap niya yung basket. Yung ano niya ba? Yung binili namin kahapon. Kahapon ng isang araw. Nabihisan ko na pala si Holly and inayos ko yung buhok niya. Ang cute! Where are you, Baba? Hoy!
Wow.
You are so... Yeah, vampire yung costume niya. Oh, sabi ni Sak, dapat daw kinuhaan ko siya na...
See?
What's that?
I got one.
Vampire teeth? No, you look so pretty. And ganito yung ginawa ko sa buhok niya. Ayan, dito sobrang
You know this can come off.
Yeah, it can. And ano ba yung sabi ko? Dito makapal kasi ito yung unang ginawa ko. Tapos pagdating dito, tinipid ko na kasi kulang na yung buhok niya. Where are you going? Wow! Where is your hat? Gusto niya ring gamitin yung hat. Kunin niya lang sa kwarto niya. Where are you, Baba? Alright. Oh, ooh, wow.
That looks like a witch hat.
Yeah, it is. Vampire witch hat. You like it, boys?
Yeah.
How about you, Holly girl? Oi, how about you?
Yes.
Yeah, she looks so pretty.
Decorate the house.
Which
I
one?
want to try on TJ.
Who?
Great TJ.
Wait, Mom, when are we going to decorate the house? Mom.
Huh? Later, 5 o'clock. It's too early. It's only
Alright, when are we
10:30 or 10:25.
When are we leaving?
Later, Papa. Excited na sila. You are so pretty, Papa. I'll take your photo. What? Are you ready? Where's your bucket? Wait, kunin ko lang yung bucket niya. Yung binili natin na bago yung dalawa, purple tsaka black. Meron pa kasi akong isa and maliit pala to. Sana pala kinuhaan ko na lang silang tigi-isa. Which one is yours, kuya?
Black.
Oh, yung bago ka. You right? Huh?
You know why he goes black? Because the acid is black.
Yeah.
Go for the big one.
Yeah.
You get me?
Next year, I'll get you one.
Stop.
Let me see you, Papa. Wow. Model ka, te. I'll take your photo, Baba.
Thumbnail.
Huh?
Thumbnail.
Oh, thumbnail. Wow.
Scary, I'm going to do something scary.
Alright.
Wait.
Alright. Thumbnail daw. Ang cute niya. Alright. Picturean ko muna siya.
Maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up. Tell me that you can see what I see, feeling wrapped up in the warmth of Sunday memories. But I don't even know what's next. But all I know is step by step. But then again, I don't wanna wait for bliss when all I really need is only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when
So, gawin ko na yung roast beef. So, maghiwa rin ako ng vegetables. Si Johnny Boy.
Oh, you look beautiful.
Dad, have a look at this.
Hindi pa tayo nakakapag-prepare sa yung roast.
Dad, look at this strip. Dad, quick.
And yung ating decoration, nandiyan pa pala, guys. What do you think of her dress, Daddy? Daddy. Beautiful.
Dad, there you go.
And yung dalawa nagpi-PS. Okay, gawin ko na yung roast beef. Ito pala yung ating air roast, guys. Yung blade roast. Ilang kilo ba yan? 1 Ayan. Yan yung kilo niya, guys. May get 1 kilo siya. Diyan, kinakain niya yung popcorn, yung caramel popcorn. Okay, totoo na to. Gawin ko na yung roast beef.
Dad, where's that at? This one?
What's that? Oh, I thought you were having the purple one, Baba.
I like this purple one.
Strawberry.
That's strawberry.
Come on.
Pinapatry ko lang yung aking
Again.
beef. And nandito na yung aking irarab.
I like funny noise in my mouth.
Nasa Chona's Kitchen na, guys, kung interesado kayo yung ginawa kong pang-rub dito sa ating roast beef, pang roast beef, nasa Chona's Kitchen. Kung gusto nyong gumawang katulad nito. Yes, Kuya?
Have ramen for lunch.
Ramen? No, we're having some fish, Kuya. I'm gonna cook some fish. Gusto ni Kuya mag-ramen. Pero may isda ako. No, I took the fish last night. We have fish.
What?
Later. Fish na kami kahapon, di ba? May isda pa kasi kaming sa freezer. So, linabas ko kagabi para lunch namin.
I'm hungry.
And meron pa ako yung tirang pusit, yung tentacles lang naman. Kasi last time, 2 days ago, nagkalamari ako, ha? Rice. Okay, I'm gonna cook rice. Nagbungkal. Kung sa Bicol, bungkal. Ayan na si Kuya. May konting rice pa ata. It's in the drawer, yeah. How's the popping lollies? Show it to the Did you show it to them? Di ba sabi niya purple? Ngayon hindi na purple. So, okay. Irarab ko na yung ating
Mom, can we
beef.
have that lolly?
What lolly? No, after lunch. Si Holly lang kasi.
How come lolly go?
Because si John, binigay sa kanya. Nagpaalam siya sa akin kanina. Sabi ko, wag muna.
I'm sick.
And, excuse niya yun. Meron kasi siyang sipon.
Mom,
Yeah?
that's what it says.
Oh, no, Kuya. I told you wait for our lunch, Kuya. Mauuna na siya.
I'm starving.
You always starve. You just had the what you call that?
The yogurt.
Yogurt, apples, orange.
I'm having it.
Show it to them what you're having. Ang ulam ni Kuya. What is your ulam? Ulam, what you gonna have with your rice? Sauce. Here, come here. Show it to them what you're having. Si Kuya mabubuhay si Kuya sa Pinas. Kasi soya sauce, hindi ko siya pinayagan ng soya sauce. Kaya ngayon ang kakainin niya ay tawag nito? Rice and sauce. Hindi siya makapaghintay. Magluluto ako ng ng fish. Naka na siya, guys. Naka-marinate na yung ating fish. Nasaan na yun? Hala. Eto. Na-marinate ko na yung aming lunch. Eto yung isda, tsaka tentacles. Yan yung aming lunch. And then, eto yung dinner. Eto kasi, gagawin natin tong maaga kasi nga aalis tayo mamaya. So, para eto. Ano na ba siya? Cooking. Para mamaya, we're ready to go.
I've got to hold the bowl.
Holy stuff.
Did you dip it here? You have to dip it here, Papa. You did? Ah, okay.
Two,
Holy
but
stuff.
What more?
more than.
No, that's for Kuya Tij and Kuya Sap. That's your lollipop to dip your lollipop there.
There's still more in there.
Yeah, but what you have to do, you have to,
Let's do this.
no, you can't, you have to dip your lollipop.
Lick your finger.
Na,
Lick your finger, Mom.
kinagat niya na yung lollipop niya, ha?
Just go
Dapat
like
pa ba
this.
tayo?
Mom, you saw it.
Yeah. So, okay na yung ating roast. Yung next ay maghihiwa ko ng vegetables. Tapos, same rin yung ilalagay ko sa vegetable. Ito rin na nirab natin dito sa ating beef. Okay. Ilalagay ko lang siya sa oven bag. And, ilalagay natin siya sa oven.
Yeah, these are all sweat.
Ito.
Yeah, let me have 10 kills.
Minsan,
What are these kills?
nag-ano ako dito, naghihiwa ako ng maliliit, tapos linalagyan ko ng
Well,
bawang.
you know why?
Pero ngayon, hindi ko yung gagawin.
It's a set before lollies or soft drinks or milk, have drink of water.
Anong before? After? Before and after. May pa-excuse ka pa talaga. Ito yung ginagamit ko na oven bag. Okay, lalagay ko na to sa oven. Again, kung gusto nyo makuha yung recipe nito, nasa Chona's Kitchen, guys. Matagal ko na siyang na-upload doon. Paki-check na lang kung gusto nyo lang naman. Okay.
It's always been the sound of you that soothes me. It's always been the way you smell that makes me feel at.
Malapit na akong matapos. Ito na lang patatas.
Big one for Dad?
Yeah, dito ko na nilalagay kasi nga pakukulaan ko siya. And si Holly, naghihintay siya sa kanyang carrot.
I'm gonna have a big giant one. Don't cut it in half.
I want,
Just peel it.
yes, I want.
But you don't actually want to eat the skin. It's gonna be yucky. Because there's all yucky stuff over there.
But some carrots, you could eat some of their skin.
Yeah.
They're, I think the baby carrot, but we don't have it here.
Yeah, but we have a little one. See? That's a little.
Yeah. Okay.
Mom, how are you so quick?
Because.
You have energies?
Yes, I have a lot of energy.
Yeah, this was
Oh, which
fine.
one? This one?
Yes, that's fine.
Oh, no. Or this one? Which one?
But that way, you have to peel that skin off.
Alright. How about you? Do you want to be a cook one day?
Yes. Yes, I want to be a cook, Bobby.
Huh?
Because I got my little baby room on.
Leo, happy now,
That's
Holly.
my little baby carrot.
Yeah, because you gave her the
Yeah,
lollies.
that's my girl.
Yeah. Kasi hindi ko binibigay yung lollies niya. Kanina niya pa yung
Alright.
kinakanta. Mom, can I have the lollies? Ako, no, it's too early to have lollies. And dumating yung daddy.
Okay, hold it again.
Binigay. Pero yung boss, hindi niya binigyan.
Hold it.
Thank you. Please.
Bunny? Okay, tapos na tayo guys. Ito pakukulaan ko. And after ko siyang pakuluan, ilalagay ko yung tirang.
That's a big carrot.
Ito yung olive oil. So, tapos ko nang i-brush yung pumpkin at saka yung carrots. Yung patatas na lang kasi nintay ko pa. So, ayan. Ready na to soon. Then
And
ko
there's
yung...
pumpkin in it, and I love pumpkin and carrot.
And carrot, yes. And then yung patatas mamaya na yan. Kasi hindi pa siya malambot.
What's the big one?
I mean, not malambot. Nagluto lang natin yung hotdog. Ha?
What's the big one?
Okay. Magluto na ako ng lunch kasi si Sa.
What's the other one in the oven?
Gutom na si Sa. Bawal magutom ang mga bata dito sa bahay kasi ang iing. Okay.
I love the carrot, guys.
Yeah. Okay.
It's always been the sound of you that soothes me. It's always been the way you smell that makes me feel at home. And I just wonder if we'll keep on growing. Will it make
Luto na pala yung ating pusit at saka yung ating isda and yung patatas. Half cook na rin siya. So, ilalagay ko na ito maya-maya sa oven. And yung mga bata nasa labas kasi si Jan tulog. Sa labas, naglalaro kasi tulog ang daddy nila. Pero tatawagin ko na sila kasi pakakainin ko na. And si Holly, kinuha niya yung GoPro niya. Nag-vlog siya doon kasama mga kuya niya. So, panoorin niyo yung vlog niya kasi hindi ako nag-vlog doon sa labas. Si Holly yung nag-vlog. So, pakainin ko na sila. Tawagin ko na. Luto pala ko ng rice. Ito yung bago natin na rice. So, pangalawang beses ko na siyang niluto. Si Kuya, inubos niya yung rice na tira kahapon ba yun? Nung isang araw na nagluto rin ako ng isda. So, yan yung ating rice. Ayan. Buhaghag siya. Ganito yung gusto ko sa jasmine, yung buhaghag. Kasi mayroong jasmine na hindi buhaghag, yung parang malagkit. Ito, masarap tong isangag. So, pakainin ko na sila. Tawagin ko muna. Andito na sila. And si Holly, hinubad niya muna yung kanyang damit. And, ayan, magkakamay sila. Ayan, yung kanilang isda, yung pusit akin. Kasi ang dami nilang kinain nung isang araw. Halos, si Sak gusto niya yan. Tsaka si Jan ang dami niyang nakain na pusit. So, sabi ko sa akin yung tentacles. Oh no, that's, ay, I have to check pala to. Ito yung whiting. I-check ko muna kung may, buto-buto. Ay, buto-buto. Bone. Okay. Ilagay ko na pala yung ating vegetables. Pinatong ko yung beef. Ayan. What's that, Kuya? More rice? More rice?
And more sauce. Please.
Rice for Kuya. Sauce for
Zachariah.
Sakurai.
Holy water.
Water for Holly. Okay. Ito yung rice ni Kuya. Welcome. Okay. Ito yung sauce. Here's sake. Dito ya.
There's no brains in mom.
That's good.
And it's like,
Para siyang naghihinguto kung sa Bicol. It's alright now, Papa, because I checked. You're good. Ang tagal niya tuloy kumain kasi chine-check niya talaga kung may bong. Si Sak
I'm gonna
yan.
try this rice.
Yummy. Masarap tong isda kasi hindi siya malansa. Ang problema lang sa kanya, merong maliliit na buto kaya kailangan doble ingat.
It's like crunchy stuff.
It's crunchy, isn't it? It's my breading, Baba. For the fish. Good job, Saki boy.
I really checked all of them.
Did you? You didn't find any? Because I checked it already. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, i-check pa rin nila kahit na-check ko na. More fish? You're done. Put that one in the bin, please. Thank you. Simayan natin si Kuya. May maliliit.
What's that little
Tingnan nyo.
thing in there?
It's alright, that black one. Ang liliit to. Yeah, okay. Yan, tapos ko nang himayan ulit si Kuya. Kakain na rin ako. Sarap ng ating pusit. So, ito yung ating sample lang ho kayo kung gaano siya ka-crunchy.
What is that?
Mm.
Mom, what is it, Mom?
Yeah. You want?
Mom, what is it? Does it have to go like a little?
Because it's warm outside sa
Mom, what is it called?
squid. Ha? Ayaw ni Kuya ng tentacles. Ayop. Gawa ko ng suka. Sausawan. Yeah. You want? Si Holly. Gustong-gusto to ni Holly. Hindi ko ba? Bigyan natin kay Holly.
I love squid.
But,
Is it crunchy?
yeah.
What's that?
Squid.
What's inside it?
Squid. Kasi nga, ano na
And
yan.
what's
Yung,
that red thing?
that's the squid kasi sanay sila yung bilog. Ano na lang yan, mga tira-tira yung tentacles.
Is that blood?
No, it's not blood.
It looks like it, please.
No. Tapos nang kumain yung mga bata and si Kuya. Binablog yung dalawa. Silipin natin. Huwag tayo magpakita kasi may hiyayan si Kuya. Ay, ang langaw, ang langaw, ang langaw, ang langaw. Ayan si Kuya. Hawak niya yung GoPro. Finifilm niya yung dalawa. Sara na natin to kasi baka makita tayo ni Kuya. So ako naman yung kakain guys. And gumawa ko ng sausawan ko na may suka. So, late lunch na yung akin. Kasi pinakain ko muna yung mga bata. So, kain guys. Pala yung ating roast beef. So, i-cover ko lang siya ng aluminum foil. Lalagyan ko sana ng... I-cover ko sana yung roasted vegetable ng aluminum foil. Pero sabi ni Jan, iwan ko na lang daw dito sa oven. Kasi naka-off na yung oven para mainit daw yung ating vegetables. And kung mamaya, siguro hindi na ako kakain mamaya. Kasi busog pa ako dun sa kinain kong... Yung kong nakain. Oh my God, my belly! Ang dami kong nakain. Yung isda, tsaka yung tentacles, sobrang sarap. Okay. Ayusin ko na yung chocolate. Tapos si Kuya gusto niyang ilabas yung ibang pang-decorate sa doon sa labas. So, asikasuhin ko muna yung ating chocolates. Bago ko gawin yung chocolate, pakita ko lang sa inyo si Sak. Inutusan ko siya na kunin niya na yung mga sinampay. Sila niya ni TJ diba? Hindi ko na-vlog ko. Sila yung nagsampay niyan kahapon. So, okay. Gawin na natin yung chocolate kasi si Jan tumawag. Meron na raw siyang nakikita ang mga bata na naglalakad na. So, kailangan ko na raw i-ready yung chocolate.
Mom, it's so hot outside.
Si Kuya. Kawan ko si Kuya nakabihis na. Magba-black t-shirt lang siya. And
These are the only
short.
ones I have.
That's alright. Magmaskara lang naman siya eh.
Ah!
Hop saka rin ako, Kuya. Okay.
Do I need black socks?
It's up to you. Ito yung mega value bag. Si Holly ang nakakita nito. Variety fan size. 30 pieces. So, dami na to. Pero marami pa tayo dyan, guys. Ayan, yung laman niya. Ay, matutuwa ang mga bata nito. And, eto pa. Ang dami tayong chocolates. Si Holly. Baba! Andun na siya sa voice. What's wrong? May medyas na si Sak. Yung laman pala nito, meron siyang Milky Way, Maltesers, Bounty, Snickers, Skittles, Mars. Meron ng kumakatok. Wait, may kumakatok na. May kumakatok na. Meron ng kumakatok na. Someone's knocking. Holly, come on. Baba, someone's knocking. Okay, hindi pa tayo tapos. Meron ng kumakatok.
Right here. Get in here.
Hi. Hi.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'll get a... Thank you.
Yeah, you can get two.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, different kinds. Yeah.
Thank you.
No worries. Bag ang dala niya. Yeah, thank you. See you. Bagpak ang dala ni Kuya.
Thank you.
Huh? We got plenty there, Sak. Oh, si Sak nangunguna na. Oh, help. Baba, you have to get dressed. Baba, bring it here. Nakita niyo yung isa? Ang dala niya, backpack. Mapuno na kaya yun? Uy. Backpack yung dala niya. Wala, yung bigas talaga natin nandito pa.
I got a purple sour.
Huh? Baba, wait. That's not yours. That's for people.
No. Wait.
Baba, get dressed now. Nubad niya kasi naglaro sila sa labas kanina, diba? Parang tagilid kayo. So, mayroon tayong M&M's. Si Holly gusto to, crunchy. Like this,
Crunchy is my favorite.
lahat naman favorite mo eh. Caramel. 12 pieces yung yung laman ng maliliit. Ang dami yan. Pagawin lang natin. Yung dalawa, nagano pa, kumuha pa ng sinampay. And sneakers.
They can learn
Oh,
how.
where is the eyeballs? Saan yung eyeballs, Baba? Ay, Holly, open that door for Kuya. And swirl. Hoy, Holly, open the door. Please, kay Kuya. O, diba? Ayan, puno na siya, guys. Haluin lang natin. Come on, Baba. Bihisan ko na nga to. Come here.
Daddy, can we do this stuff outside?
Ha, si Kuya gusto niya mag-decorate. Oh,
So we put it on our door.
para daw, alam ng mga tao na pwede silang pumunta dito sa bahay. Oh, careful! Be gentle, please. Huwag na kitang makeup ang Baba. You don't need
I want
makeup.
makeup.
Sige, magpa-makeup. Go.
Is it all paperwork?
No, Mama, I didn't bang nails in the wood.
Ha?
The bang nails in the wood.
What, Kuya? I can understand you,
Can I?
What?
Bang 2 nails into the wood? One.
No, we're not gonna put nails. No way, Kuya.
There's already one on the door.
No, don't put any nails there. Gusto niyong maglagay ng magpako ba para mailagay yung pang... Where is it? I don't know. Where did you... Mayroon kasi siya dito, yung parang choker. Eto pala. Yung eyeballs na tira kahapon. Lagay din natin dyan. Oh, ayun, guys. And meron ako dito. Ito yung favorites na malaki. Hindi to para sa sa trick or treat. Para dito yan, oh. Dito natin yan ilalagay. And si Holly gusto... Baba, where's my cape? Si Holly gusto niya isuot ko yung
Yeah, I
cape.
found a spot on that old tree just there.
Okay, on the old tree. Okay.
Well, that's a lot.
Yeah. Sak! Where yours now, Sak?
Look.
The costume! Ay, sobrang dami. Ilagay natin yung iba dito. What's that? Alright. Ito yung old gold. Ayaw, walang kumakain yan. So, yun na lang ilagay natin dito. Okay. Yung, wait lang, baka meron.
Do I have to wear it now?
Yeah, because people are coming here. Oh, oh my God. Hindi ko na maano siya.
Mom, I'm using this.
No, you don't need that one, Kuya. Just
This one. Wait.
Alright, yeah.
Alright, yeah. Mom,
Baba, careful there.
you don't know where's the eyeballs.
Yeah, I got it. Okay, this is for Daddy. Alis siya, Baba. I'm vlogging. You're blocking my vlog. No, that's not for
No,
that.
yeah, this one.
No, we got plenty there. Okay,
No,
Saka.
Wait, Mom.
No
I
one.
think it.
Sako, this is the... Mayroon pang teasers. Oh, diba? Ang daming chocolate. Sak, get dressed now.
Whoa.
Haluin lang natin.
Mom. These are my candies. No one eat my candies.
Okay. Where's my cake, Baba? Oh, maybe I don't need it.
Yes.
Gusto niya ipasok sa akin yung cake. Okay, go get it. Try nga natin. Ito, si Holly ang may gusto nito.
Honey, you gotta wear
Gusto niya pa
pants.
nga ipakuha yung akin,
You
ha?
gotta wear pants.
Pants? Yeah, later. So, eto lang, oh.
Doctor,
One more.
Yeah, cape. Cape. So, ganyan lang ako, guys. Oh.
I'm using one more.
One more one.
Guys,
Alright. Where are you gonna put it? Yeah.
I put one on the door and it just gets in there with the screen door. One on the
Okay.
lantern there, one on the lantern on that tray, and I know where to put this, guys.
But parang, ang bigat mo.
Mommy.
Ayan. Yes.
Oh, yeah, give me that. Give me that.
So, ayan na, guys. Ready na tayo.
Mom, we're
Papans
putting
na
the
lang ako.
spiders out there too. Mom, we're putting the spider thing.
Alright. So, nilabas na ni Kuya lahat ng
Mama.
pang-decorate natin. So, okay.
Oh, that's for my hands.
Ayan tayo, guys. Naka-leggings tayo yung black and yung lipstick ko. Inano ko lang ba? Yung parang, ayan, para vampire lang din. Katulad ni Holly. Ay, si Holly, naka-lipstick lang. Okay, let's go. So, ayan. Meron ng mga tao. Oh my God, Kuya! Take her treat. Hi, everyone.
I got a trolley.
They can get two.
Thank you.
I'll end up with that.
Thank you.
See ya. See ya. Okay, Han. Ayan pala yung lipstick niya. Show your lipstick, Baba. Wow, you look so pretty. And si Sophie, come here. May paano siya? May pa-pearl. Dito si Sophie. I like your pearls. May pa-pearl siya dyan. Sa ano niya? Sa...
Oh, you can get it from the W.
Yeah. What's that? Is this the one? Dito tayo pupunta, guys. Yung may pa-soft drinks.
Sorry, I couldn't quite.
Oh, si Siri. Okay, go.
Whoa! I can see.
Ha? Hindi daw siya makakita. A little bit. Wow, Papa. Go, Papa. Maganda yun. Oh, why are you running? Don't run. Ah, it's in here. Ah, hindi na.
Actually, I want this.
Ay, wala na. Hindi na siya nagpa-ano. Soft drinks. No more soft drinks.
Yeah, look. Can we go?
Hi. Good.
Hi, kiddos.
Ah, here. They're looking for the soft drinks.
Yes, it's a drink.
Thank you. Ay. Yeah, dati kasi sa loob ng bahay. They used to go to your house.
Yeah, that's
you-
right.
yeah.
I thought I'll put it outside. You don't know what you're supposed to do. No,
Yeah, that's right.
I'll try this. And here, you've got a bag of lollies.
Okay, wow. Say thank you.
There you go.
What you gonna say?
One each.
Ito talaga, bongga to magpaano. Thank you. Oh, yeah, thank you so much.
Thanks for dressing up. It's lovely to see. Oh, look at the little witch.
Okay, yeah. I'll get one too. Oh.
Next year I'm going to get an old bag, I reckon, and put it on like an old Hessian bag, and I'll be the old bag. That'll be my outfit.
Thank you so much. We'll see you next year. Bye-bye. Ay, sorry, Baba. Baba, put my soft drinks there, Baba. Akala nila wala nang pa soft drinks kasi dati sa loob talaga siya almost full. Malit kasi yung bakit nisa. Puno na raw sa kanya. Oh, okay. I can hold your hat, Baba. Oh, wait, Baba. Ako na lang susuot. Diba? Bongga talaga to. Itong bahay na to. Kaya inuna namin. Kasi bongga siya trick or treat. Tanggalin niyo sa bag kasi puno. Oh, hold. Zach, pick it up. You don't do that. Thanks, darling. You say thank you.
There you go, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Hi, how are you? Nice afternoon for a walk.
Yeah.
Yeah. So thank you. Sure, geez. Can you not see TJ?
Hindi makakita si Kuya. See ya. Basura. What noodles? Noodles? Kala ko basura. Here, Kuya. Yeah, noodles. Yeah. Oh, my heart. Oh, no. I'll get that one. I can open this. My heart. Lumipat yung witch hat ko, guys. Kunin ko lang. Huh? Yeah, I'm just gonna get this hat. Where is it? Okay. Is this the one, Kuya? Yeah, he said they have a nice set up here. That one. Yeah, that one. Come on, no, because look at the house. See, it's set up like a ghost town. Come on. Ay, natakot si Kuya. Bye. Good, thank you. Okay, go in. Okay, Baba. Come on, Kuya. Hirap na hirap si Kuya. Go. Look, it's crawling. Yeah, go. Go there. Keep out, it says. Keep out. Meron nakalagay doon, keep out. Okay, go, Baba. Go, Baba. Go. Wow. Wow.
What do you say?
Trick or?
I would like trick.
Trick.
Have you a trick for me?
Oh, do you have any trick?
Oh no.
How about you?
You don't have a trick means I have to trick you.
No.
It's 1 second for me.
Oh.
Okay, well, it's in England. I know you're from Australia.
Oh, in England. Oh.
You get even
The pier.
No.
No, it's not a joke. They don't. Say thank you.
I have a trick, but I don't have all the tricks.
Oh.
That means, guys,
Next time when you come here, you have to prepare your trick.
you've got 10 seconds to run.
Hala! Hala! Run! Run, Baba, run! Hala, run! Run! Hala, Kuya, run, Kuya! This is one, thank you. Ba? Ako yata yung naanohan niya, na baril niya. Meron ba? Meron siya yung gun na parang foam. Bilat yung mga bata ng may tubig. Si Holly, ang bilis niya tumakbo. Kylie, that one is good. It's fun. Yeah. Yeah. I think on my head. Ayan. Umiinom na ng... Don't shake your Coke. Kuya, your bag! Lola, wait. Get it, please. Ah, yeah. Okay, let's go there.
Oh my God!
Sophie, here. You have to go there, Baba. Go. It's not gonna walk. Takot siya. Please take only 2. Get 2. May note kasi doon.
Security comes all watching.
Yeah, security camera. Come on here. 2 only. Okay, thank you. Hi. Take 2. Okay. Punta sila kay daddy nila. Go, Baba! What did you say to your dad?
I got them. I got 2 eyeballs.
Yeah?
Skittles.
Okay.
I've already got Skittles. No. I got 2 Skittles now.
Baba, put it down while daddy's there. Oh.
Sorry. Can you put it?
Go with daddy. Go.
Push it on your head, right?
Yes.
Hold your button, don't hold the handy love. Huh?
Kuya, go there, Kuya. Wear your mask with daddy. Come on.
Look, here's some more.
Come on.
Hey, Bear.
Hi. Oh. Okay. Kuya, wear your mask. Oh, cute. Oh. Get 2, Baba. Get more.
That's right, go now.
Yeah. You're welcome.
It's alright.
Sneakers okay? Yeah. You got some, Baba? Oh.
I got like a billion. Look at all that.
Lots of lolly.
I think we're allowed.
Ah, alright. Come on, Baba. Meron ditong dinosaur, guys. Oh, hindi namin alam kung pwedeng kunin yung lollies,
These
pero...
are small bees. There's a bee.
Ah, yeah. There's a bees. Oh, lots of bees.
There's some small ones.
Oh. More kids. Hi. What's that,
You
Zach?
want a drink?
No, thank you, Zach. I'm so alright. Si Ola yun, tumatakbo na. Wait, Baba! Hi! So cute! Baba! Smile! Hi! Go, Baba! Oh, I got one. Okay, let's go.
Your bucket's full.
Go, Baba.
My bucket's full of cactus.
Wow. More kids. Ito yung dating bahay nila, Kylie. Bago sila lumipat. Thank you.
What do you say, Soph? Thank you.
Thank you. Wow, that's nice. Oh, socks. Wow, that's nice. Say thank. Did you say thank you?
How are you, babes? Good. That's good.
Socks yung binigay sa kanila. That's nice, Baba.
Oh yeah, that's so big.
Yeah.
You have them.
Okay, so akin na lang daw to sa Neoli kasi it's too big for her. Oh, di ba kakaiba siya? Bananas. Pabalik na kami. And si Holly hindi niya na talaga sinuot yung kanyang hat kasi nililipad. So ngayon, pabalik na kami. And puno na rin yung kanilang bucket. Yeah. Daming tao. Madaming kids ngayon.
Oh, yeah.
You want? Alright, say hi to my vlog. Say hi.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Hi, Casey. Hi. Gusto nilang mag-hi. Hi. You're done?
Pardon?
Done? Okay. Got lost? Almost? Okay. Yan naman yung horse. Ano, Sak? You're going there, Sak? Ang mga dala nila, backpack. Ay, ang cute naman nila, oh. Look at that, Baba, the dinosaur. Ha? Look at the dinosaur. Okay, bye. That's a huge costume you have. Cute. Look at dinosaur costume siya, oh. Cute. Oh, you're Pennywise? Oh, no, clown. Is it clown? Pennywise. Yeah, tama nga. Nice. Sak, Pennywise, sak. Next year. Hindi ko. Ah, you're not? Okay. Akala ko you like Pennywise. Huh? Catch up? Okay. Okay, run. Ang kasama niya nauna na dito. Naiwan siya. You alright, Papa?
Oh, that's beautiful.
Say,
You want a couple?
thank you. Okay, just get to Baba. Okay, thank you.
Thanks, sir.
Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay, watch for the car, Baba. Okay, go. Oh, thank you. Wow, that's a lot.
I got a lot of
Ah.
Oh, that's for us.
Oh.
I don't know.
Kids coming here have one bounty left.
Oh, kinuha niya yung nasa jar, yung linagay ko sa glass. Nag-reload na raw siya. Oh, naubos. Ang dami kasing kids this
I
year.
think that's it.
There's so many.
I'm pagod, Han. Super pagod.
So
Ah,
we just walked up down the street.
I know. Nakakapagod kaya. Naintindihan niya yung pagod. Okay, we're done. We're done. Ah, okay.
We're not
Oh,
going to eat any lollies yet because we're having tea.
yes.
hungry.
Yeah, they're not hungry.
No, love, we're
No,
not
there's
going to Bago.
nothing in the bay. That's why everyone's here.
everyone's come here, so.
There's only
Yeah.
about two.
That's right.
Okay. Okay. Baba, do yours here, Baba, here, so you won't mix up.
You don't have to tip them out.
They want to count for sure. Kina-count kasi nila after nila humagano.
We'll count them.
Okay, count. And don't eat a lot, okay?
There's yours. All that's yours.
Put them in your bucket as you count them.
Ayan na sila.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
Yeah.
17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, I didn't know I got these. 21,
Aren't they cute?
Okay, 16 Baba, 7, 18,
25,
20, 20,
28,
2, 23, 24. Nahilo na si Oli.
33, 34, 35, 36, 37,
28,
39,
30,
40, 41, 49, 41, 42,
35. Ano sa'yo? Oh, my battery. You got plenty, Baba. Ha? Holly got a lot. Pack up your lollies. Spider. You thought it was real? Ay, hindi ko napakita yung ang ganda ng pagkaano ni Kuya, pagka-design ni Kuya dito. Oh, ayan. Ayan. And si Jan, akala yata itong spider yung mga linagay dito ni Kuya. Yeah, we'll keep that for next year. Yeah. Oh, kasi pwede siya dito ilagay sa labas. So, ito yung nabawas. Hindi pa tayo nakapaglinis. So, di ba puno to? Ayan, nabawasan siya ni Johnny Boy. Kasi nga, madaming bata this year. Okay, tapos na guys. I-ready ko lang yung pagkain ni Johnny Boy. Diba? Samid-samid. Samid-samid yung ating. Okay. Pakainin ko na si Johnny Boy. Yung mga bata, busog pa to. Ako, busog pa rin ako. Sa wakas, nilagay niya na yung rice. Gawin ko na yung pinya. 6:20 na. And yung ating roast beef ay mainit pa, guys. This is still hot, babe. Touch. Nice. Okay, pakainin na natin siya. Pala yung ating roast beef, guys, na hiwa ko na. And ginawa ko siya ng gravy. Ngayon, kunin ko na yung roast vegetables sa oven. So, eto yung roast vegetables. Ayan, yung mga bata, hindi raw muna sila kakain kasi busog pa sila. So, si Jan lang talang kakain. Are you gonna eat? Sak? That's right.
Thanks, babe.
Thanks, babe. How's the beef? How is it? Tender, Han? Yeah. Yeah, sobrang tender ng beef. Yum.
Yeah, because you're eating loads, mate.
And they had rice as well. Nice, honey? Very good. Okay. Balik ulit si Kuya kasi mayroon ulit na dumating na mga bata. Mamay, hanggang mamay, wala na tayong kunti na lang yan. Oh, ito na lang yung ating chocolate. Well, welcome! Guys, alas 8 na and si Jan umalis siya after niyang kumain. Pumunta siya kila Joe kasi ang tagal na nila hindi nakikita. Ilang weeks din kasi nga busy sila pareho mag-work. And na-realize ko guys, wala akong picture ng mga bata. Every year ginagawa ko yung bago kami magbahay-bahay. Ngayon, wala silang picture kasi si Sak ayaw niyang suotin sana yung kanyang costume na binili ni Holly. Pero nung may kumatok and may nakita siyang kaibigan niya na pareho yung costume, yun, sinuot niya kaya, I know, it's very pretty costume. Yun, sinuot niya kaya wala na akong time para mag-picture silang tatlo. Tingnan ko sa vlog, baka sana meron. I think si Jan, pinablog ko si Jan na kaming apat. Yeah, we'll see. And ito yung guys, nagiging last kong updated kasi balik ulit ako sa late vlogs. Kunti na lang siya, yung birthday na lang ng dalawa and konting ganap. Yun na lang. And ngayong November, magiging updated tayo. Tapusin ko lang yung aking mga late vlogs. Kung kailangan kong 2 uploads every day, gagawin ko para maging updated tayo ngayong November, guys. And habang hindi ako nagbablog, si Holly, iba-vlog niya yung
Happy Halloween.
yung mga ganap niya. Are you gonna vlog?
Yes.
Oh.
Because I got GoPro.
Oh, yeah. Kasi kahit hindi, ayan, daldal na
I
naman.
ride my bike with the GoPro.
Oh, yeah, abangan nyo yun sa channel niya. Yeah. Yeah, so habang hindi ako nagba-vlog, siya muna mag-vlog ng mga ganap niya. Bahala siya kung anong gagawin niya. Kasi kahit naka-off ang camera, guys, nagba-vlog siya. Nagpe-pretend siyang may camera at kausap kayo. Kaya sabi ko, sige, gamitin niya na lang yung GoPro. Mag-vlog siya kung gusto niya. Pag gusto niya lang naman, wala namang sapi lang. Pero siya talaga gusto niya talaga. You like vlogging?
Yes, because I love vlogging because you too.
Yeah, I love vlogging because you talk. Madaldal kasi to, guys. So, yun na, guys, yung vlog natin. Konting-kunti na lang yung late vlogs, guys. I promise, ngayong November, updated na tayo. So, thank you so much sa unawan nyo. And don't forget to subscribe to all things
Holly and Chona's Kitchen and ChonaAndMyKids.
Oh, di ba? Memorize niya yung channels namin. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on next vlog. Bye. I hope happy Halloween.
Sorry, I cut you. I hope what?
I hope you watch our vlog every day.
Wow, thank you, Holly. Thank you, guys. Good night. Happy
Good night. Halloween.
Yay. Okay, good night, guys.
Good night.
Please tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do. Want you next to me.